Not long ago, I felt depressed. Every morning, I woke up dizzy and weak. It might be because I had too many worries, like the water pipe at home was leaking. My car window couldn't roll up. Actually, I'm not a very independent person, and my mental state was not strong. One day, I opened a Chinese singing app on my phone, and I heard someone singing an old Chinese song. He sang so beautifully that it moved me. I happened to know the song as well, so I boldly decided to join in and duet with him. Now the duet is playing in the background. When he heard my duet, he complimented my singing. That's how we met online. In the following days, I sang a duet with him every day. We had similar tastes and familiarity with songs. My mood began to improve. I suppose singing can be a remedy for depression. We occasionally chatted, and I learned that he lives in Japan, although he's Chinese. I'm in Chicago, USA, so we were duetting across the Pacific Ocean with a 15-hour time difference. You know, sometimes when you are feeling down, a song, a simple greeting, or a casual chat can be enough to pull you out of your gloom.